Good morning. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft Pro Solutions. With drone light shows becoming a popular event all around the world, we have a rack system that can charge up to 56 LiPos at once. But for portable systems, we only had an 8-channel. Now we have a 16-channel option. Put several of these together and you can charge a lot of LiPos at one time. Now, like everything else that Rotorcraft Pro Solutions builds, we can configure this case to fit your needs. We have XT60s, XT90s, AS150s, and would be more than happy to build a connector for anything that you require. This also has the ability to discharge up to 150 watts per channel, times 16 channels. This is all housed in a Nanook 960 that has wheels on it and a retractable handle. And as you can see, we have the XT90s in the bottom deck, heavy duty fans, oversized storage, and we're running a Nutrex connector for the AC input. And with the screen for each dual output charger, you can see in real time what's going on. You also have independent controls for every channel. And these are our XT60 deck mounts. The power input is a 32 amp Nutrex connector. Twist lock. Then on the other end of the cord, we add whatever cord cap you require. This case runs on domestic and international voltage from 90 to 240 volts. We can even make adapters to go from 220 to 110. You just have to run at reduced power. Rotorcraft Pro Solutions, keeping your swarm in charge.